I've got a pretty new style from Belle Tress to show you guys today. This is Miami in the color Milkshake Blonde R. I am going to try to get through this review really quickly. I'm going to give you a high level overview of all the main features. And I will just tell you from the beginning, this wig is a 10 out of 10. 2 thumbs up, all the things. She is amazing. If you love bangs and shorter, heavily layered styles like this, throw and go styles, then just go get Miami right now. I think you'll love her. She is so great, but we're going to talk a little bit about her. I will show you this color inside and outside, and I'm going to help you know whether or not this is worth your hard-earned money. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook, and I am here on behalf of Shaquelle to bring you this review of Miami. And if you cannot tell, I am enamored with this one. This one is going into my own rotation as a throw and go, something easy to throw on, run out the door. I don't have to worry about anything. I don't have to worry about anyone knowing this is a wig. She does have a lace front, but she also has a fairly heavy bang. So the lace front is sort of irrelevant in many cases, but I'll show you how awesome it is. Just in case you decide maybe you don't want it to be such a heavy bang, I do think you can play around with this front. I think you could take heat to it. It is heat friendly, and a hair dryer is perfect for blowing the bangs just a little bit to the side, a little bit up and off the face, and you don't really have to take much in the way of heat to this one. The maintenance is going to be very low. This isn't a heat-friendly style that's really going to need much at all to make it look great. It's going to last and last and last. Shaquelle is an online retailer that also has some in-person wig shops in the US and Canada. They also have an online store in the US, Canada, and the UK. So you can shop from virtually anywhere, but you can visit them in person if you're near any of their in-person shops. And I can save you money because I have a coupon code for you. So definitely check out the description box for helpful videos, as well as the coupon code and the link, and keep Shaquelle on your list for a future purchase. Let's take a look at Miami from all sides. Full disclosure, I've already worn this one a few times. I normally don't wear wigs before I review them because I'd like you to see, for the most part, what you're gonna get with just a little finger styling, maybe a little combing, but I couldn't help myself. This wig came before my knee surgery, quite a bit before my knee surgery, and I knew I wasn't gonna get to the review and I wanted to wear her, so I did, but I've done no modifying to this one. But I've worn her a couple of times. I've not taken heat to her. I've not taken scissors to her, any of those things. This wig is a very, very natural density. It's a low density piece. There is no traditional permatease at all. So it's very flat. I think because of the layers and the waves, you can get the tiniest bit of volume, but nothing meaningful because it doesn't have the hair or the permatease for that. But it's not lackluster, and that's because of the wave pattern and the layered cut. This is one of those that I think you can change the way it looks just by playing with it. If you tucked it behind your ears, and you could smooth it out a little bit, the layers are going to stick out just a little bit because of how it's constructed, because of this curl pattern. You could always take heat to it though to tame that down if you don't like that at all. And I think you will be able to get a few different looks out of her. And like I said before, if you don't want to wear it with the full bang, and it is fairly heavy bang, as you can see, I don't think it's unnatural, but if you're liking more of a wispy bang, I do think you can play with it enough to get some of that up and away, and you don't have to have it be such a full bang. It does have a gorgeous lace front, which Belle Tress is so good with their lace fronts these days. So if you wanted to wear this where you could see the lace, I do think you can. But if you're gonna get lift, these are gonna maybe stand up just a little bit more because of the length, but you can do that. You could blow all of this up and away and really change the look. So it does have that flexibility if that's what you're looking for. Now, this is from their City collection. So we do have a center part If you don't like center parts, you can fudge that a little bit, but because of the bang, I do think it does look better with a center part. It looks more symmetrical, and it doesn't look like your traditional center part because of the bangs. I'm not a center part person. I can wear this just fine. We do have soft ear tabs with bendable stays. We have an extended nape, Velcro adjusters. You can see I have cinched those in some, and the rest is open wefted. The City Collection runs really true to average, I would say, and fits a wide range of head sizes because of the fact that it is running more true to average. I get extra cap in the City Collection, but not a lot. And I do cinch the circumference in. All of my measurements are in the description box below. I'm just gonna throw her on just so you can see. Really, throw her on, arrange these fibers. You can use styling cream like John Renault Piece Out Cream. If you really wanna piece out these slight waves, you can absolutely do that. You can wear it with a headband, you can wear it with clips. And this is really one of those throw and go, run to the grocery store, do whatever you'd like. It's not a very fancy style. So I do think this is best suited for more casual day-to-day wear, and you don't have to worry about looking overdone. And I think this is actually a really good one to wear even without makeup. That's a tricky thing for wig wearers because a lot of wigs are very polished. And if you don't, either you don't wear makeup or you don't want to wear makeup all the time, you might find sometimes you throw a wig on and it just doesn't look quite right to you. And it's because you've got fancy hair and not a fancy face. So it is nice to have those throw and go pieces that you don't really need to make yourself up to wear. And I think this one fits the bill perfectly. Again, low density, no permatease, average cap, throw and go. The fibers feel very realistic. I love heat-friendly synthetic fibers. They're not shiny. They feel and look a lot more like human hair to me than regular synthetic does. And like I said, the length means you're not going to need to take heat to this regularly like a longer heat-friendly piece. I do think this is just going to go and go and go. So I think it's money well spent in that kind of in that way. She's so cute. Let me know if you have questions. I mean, I think I covered it all and I just love her. So I think if you like styles like this, you are going to like her too. So they really did a good job with this one. Let's talk about this color. Milkshake Blonde R. It is becoming one of my favorite blondes. And I like that it's more of an ashy, neutral to ashy color because it's not yellow, it's not gold. It's got some platinum. It has some light sandy brown. It has a very soft, subtle root. You will absolutely see that it's very subtle outside. Inside, in shade, rooting tends to look a little bit darker, but this is not a dark root at all. So if you like gold, if you like warm, you need warm colors, otherwise you feel like you get washed out a little bit. If you don't really like more of that light blonde with some platinum, this one is pretty light. It does come in a number of other colors though, so there are other blondes, there's brunettes. Kind of reminds me a little bit of Shaded Biscuit maybe from Raquel Welch. It's just stunning. This is such a great piece. Let's get outside so you can see it outside. Don't forget about Shaquelle. Details in the description, coupon code in the description. I am thrilled with this one. It may be one I have to get in another color at some point. That's how good it is. Thanks for watching. See you guys soon. All right, we've got Milkshake Blonde R. We've got a little bit of sun, a little bit of shade. Love this color. If you're looking for a blonde that's more on the ashy side, that's Max. The mailman's van just drove by. That's on brand for him. This wig is so cute. I love it. I love it. I love it. Really easy to wear. Throw and go. Let's see if I can get into the sun for you guys. It's tough because there's really nowhere for me to stand where... There you go. If you're looking for an ashy blonde with a really soft root, this could be it. There you go. Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.